Need cash fast? Let's unlock the secret to getting a cash advance with your Metrobank credit card. First, open your Metrobank Mobile App and log in using your username and password or biometric login. Make sure you have the latest version of the app for the smoothest experience. Once you're logged in, navigate to your credit card dashboard. You'll usually find this under Accounts or Cards. Look for the Cash Advance or Quick Cash option. It might be under Services or Transactions depending on your app version. Tap on it. Now, you'll see the Cash Advance application form. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, remembering to stay within your available credit limit and consider any associated fees. Choose the Metrobank account where you want the cash to be deposited. Double-check the account number to avoid any errors. Carefully review the confirmation details, paying close attention to the interest rates and fees. Metrobank charges interest daily from the date of the cash advance. You'll receive a one-time password (OTP) on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to authorize the transaction. And that's it. You'll see a confirmation screen indicating that your cash advance has been successfully processed. The funds should be deposited into your chosen account almost immediately. Remember to use cash advances responsibly and be mindful of the fees and interest involved.